Salmon are a vital part of the ecosystem of British Columbia, providing food for other animals and spreading nutrients from the ocean back into freshwater environments. Unfortunately, these amazing creatures face many threats, including habitat loss and pollution. That's why organizations like the Pacific Salmon Foundation are working to study and mitigate the environmental factors impacting the health of salmon. Their efforts include stream restoration, improving water quality, and removing barriers to fish migration. Thanks to the support of organizations like Prince of Wales, the Pacific Salmon Foundation is able to continue their vital work. Recently, Prince of Wales donated $130,000 to the Pacific Salmon Foundation to support their marine science program. This generous donation will help to fund research projects, as well as on-the-ground efforts to restore and protect salmon habitat. We are adamant in promoting conservation because we believe it is our responsibility to protect the environment for future generations.